Okay folks, time for something a little bit different. I picked up these eggs, 2 or 3 weeks ago now. Basically there was a 12 pack in a bin, and I brought them home and I tested them and they were all okay then, but they've been in the shelter during hot days. Temperature gets up to about 35, sometimes 40 degrees in there, and can be like that kind of most of the day. I used to bring things in and out, but I got sick of it, so I just leave them there now. So now I'm going to test whether these eggs are still good or not. Um, I think a lot of people learn this. It's not a trick, but just this fact, and quite a few forget. So maybe it'll be a reminder for some people. But basically, you just take eggs, put them in water. If they sit on the bottom, or if they're still in contact with the bottom, they're good. If they float, this one here is it's not floating, but it's a bit more buoyant, than some of the others. But those are all good still. Those are all still good. Let's try some more. All good. The wide end often there's an air bubble in there, so they sit on the bottom with the top pointing up anyway. Oh, that one's off the bottom. Those are all sitting on the bottom, but then that one's probably bad. If not actually bad, then beginning, maybe on the turn. I don't know. We'll maybe crack it open and see. These three are good still. Those are both floating. Not massively, but they're off the bottom. So again, those are questionable. You wouldn't crack them into a pan where you've already got other food going. So that's how you tell. That's how you tell if an egg is good or not. There's another test that's often useful when you find or are given eggs and you don't know whether they're cooked already or not, whether they're hard boiled, and that's basically you take the egg and you spin it, and it'll be awkward spinning. It won't go, and that, like I said, that's gone bad. Something's wrong there. That's spinning too freely. That would be that spins like a hard-boiled egg would spin. What should happen? If we take one of these ones that's still good, there's an awkwardness to the spin. They don't, and then you set them spinning. There's like inertia stops them from going properly, and then when you pat down and lift, it carries on going again because the contents inside are still spinning. So that's good. That one, probably when you stop it, it stops. Look. It's much more inclined to just stop, whereas this one, even with a prolonged, even if you press and hold for kind of a second, well, a good fraction of a second, spin, stop, landed in the crevice on the table, it keeps going. Did I get them all there? I feel like, didn't I only have 3 that had gone bad? Have I mixed some up, or am I just misremembering? Yeah, that one's still good. That one was a good one that rolled over to the others. These three are the bad. That's how I remembered it. Okay, that's just a little, like I say, it's not a trick. It's just one of those facts about how eggs go bad and get gaseous inside with the hydrogen sulfide. Okay, now I'm going to go and cook some egg butties. Bye for now.